Powers show up everywhere in math, and in the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly what they are with clear visuals and solid examples. Let's start with this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The same number multiplied again and again. Instead of writing all of that, we condense it into power. 2 is the base and 4 is the exponent. The exponent simply tells us how many copies of the base we multiply together. In general, a in the power of n means exactly this. N copies of the number a multiplied. And that's the entire idea behind powers. Now let's make power visual. So 3 in the power of 2 means a 3 by 3 grid, that's 9 points. While 3 in the power of 3 means a 3 layer of the same grid. 3 copies of 9 points stacked. That's 27. So the exponent tells us how many layers or how many repetitions we're dealing with. 2 in the power of 5 means 5 2's multiplied, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 32. 3 in the power of 4 means 4 3's multiplied. But instead of doing it all at once, you can use smaller powers. Like 3 in the power of 2 equals 3 times 3, which equals to 9. Then you can square 9 and take 9 times 9, which equals to 81. So let's combine powers in one expression. We have 2 in the power of 5 plus 3 in the power of 3 minus 2 times 5 in the power of 2. We evaluate each power first. 2 in the power of 5 equals 32. 3 in the power of 3 equals 27. 5 in the power of 2 equals 25. And when we plug them in, then we get 32 plus 27 minus 2 times 25, which equals to 9. Here's another clean example. 3 in the power of 2 plus 4 in the power of 2 divided by 5 in the power of 2. We again evaluate each of the power. So we have 9 plus 16 on top and 25 on the bottom. That gives us 25 over 25, which equals to 1. Powers of 10 shows how place value works. 10 in the power of 1 is 10. 10 in the power of 2 is 100. 10 in the power of 3 is 1000. And so on. Each exponent shifts the number one place to the left. To recap, a in the power of n means n copies of a. Powers appear in area, in volume, and in place value. And you always evaluate power before multiplication, addition, or subtraction. Now try one yourself using the same steps as before. We have 2 in the power of 4 plus 3 in the power of 2 divided by 5 in the power of 2. Write your answer in the comments and I'll feature one of the correct solutions in the next video. See you in the next one!